Hello friend, welcome once again to Half Tuber 81. Monsoons arrived early here in Kerala, so thought of making some crispy banana chips to store it and enjoy evening coffee along with the rains in the backdrop. Join me as I take on the challenge of making the perfect Malabar banana chips at home. In this video, you will learn how to make delicious Malabar banana chips from scratch. Perfect for snacking or serving with meals. Many people struggle with making crispy snacks at home, often ending up with soggy or bland results. This can be really frustrating, especially when you've got a craving for something crunchy and flavorful. The good news is that making Malabar banana chips is easier than you think. And with a few simple tips, you can achieve that perfect snack. To start, let's talk about the common mistakes people make when trying to make banana chips at home. One of the biggest mistakes is using the wrong type of bananas. You want to use green bananas for this recipe, as they are starchier and will yield a crisper chip. Another mistake is not slicing the bananas thinly enough, which can lead to chips that are chewy rather than crispy. You will explore the ingredients needed, the preparation process, and the frying techniques that ensure the chips come out perfectly crispy and flavorful. To make Malabar banana chips, you'll need a few simple ingredients: green bananas, oil for frying, and a bit of salt. The preparation process is straightforward. Peel the bananas, slice them thinly, and soak them in cold water to remove excess starch. The key to making great banana chips is in the frying process. You'll want to heat the oil to the right temperature, not too hot, not too cold, and fry the banana slices until they're golden brown. The key moment will be the frying process, where you'll see how to get that perfect golden color and crunchy texture that makes these chips irresistible. This is where patience and attention to detail make all the difference. To get that perfect golden color, you'll want to fry the banana slices in batches, so they have enough room to cook evenly. It's also important to not overcrowd the pot, as this can lower the oil temperature and result in soggy chips. To wrap up, you will summarize the steps taken and emphasize how easy it is to recreate this beloved snack at home. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment on your favorite snack, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.